Now, most people buy a steam cleaner tend to only use it for 1 or 2 jobs. So today I'm going to share with you 12 spots I use it for around my home. Now, starting in the kitchen, steam cleaning is great for the buildup of grease or that daily grime, like the oven and the glass door, the sink and the overflow, countertops, not forgetting the splashback, and even inside kitchen cabinets and the doors. Now in the bathroom, steam helps with the removal of soap scum and limescale buildup. So use it on the shower screen or cubicle, tiles and grouting, around the bathroom taps, and it's even great for cleaning that toilet too. Oh, and don't forget to steam clean the toilet hinges and magnet for germs. Now in the bedroom, this is where cleaning makes the most difference to everyday comfort. Now before steaming the mattress, always hoover the mattress first. This helps to remove any surface dust, dust mites and debris. Then slowly, with steady strokes, steam the mattress to lift odours and remove minor stains. Now pay attention to edges too, again to remove traces of dust mites. You should always be able to put the bedding back on after 3 to 4 hours. So once you finish, leave the mattress to air dry, or you can use a fan. Now in the living room, the aim is to freshen your home fabrics without soaking anything, which are to refresh curtains or blinds while they're still hanging, passing with light continuous strokes, enough to lift surface dust. For fabric sofas, armchairs and footstools, use the same steady motion. Slow, steady strokes. Now this is the quickest way to reset items you can't machine wash generally.